Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Daily Happenings. I'm sure we are having a really great time here. Alright, guys, if you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the red subscribe button below. Also, if you're a returning subscriber and or maybe it's your first time, you can also hit the push notification bell on this channel so that you get amazing updates on this channel. Thank you so much. All right, guys, let's get to the business of the day. Now, the former Big Brother Naija housemate Kidwaya, who is known as the billionaire's son, has actually initially set up on his Instagram story a question and answer session where he allowed his fans ask him a lot of questions, and you are sure that they had a lot of questions to ask him and probably requests to ask him. I saw him actually even sharing money to some of his fans that actually came online. He was doing some kind of giveaway just to his fans to support them. But now the question and answer session he had was a very interesting one because it had a lot of questions that concern him, that concerns his relationship lifestyle. All right, let me just run through the question and answer session. Believe me, you want to see each and every one of it. It is very interesting. Now, the first person asked him, he said, Kidwaya, I love you so much. I hope to see this reply. And he said, I love you. I see you. I love you too. The second person was, you are my role model and my dream will be complete if you accept me as your goddaughter. And he said, welcome to the family. So I say no cue, just emphasizing I'm proud of the growth you have had since our masters. So I'm sure this person knows him personally, and probably they've had some kind of relationship in the past. And he replied, the person, he said, best year of my life, link up soon, my brother. That means he's going to meet the person. Now this one says, thanks for standing up for all the trust fund kids, or Ajabo children as they say. Now he said, I'm happy I was able to inspire a few of them. We might even see a few more in new Big Brother Naija show. This one say, what's your source of motivation? What motivates you the most? He said, the fact that so many people want me to fail, so many people want to use me as an example, but they don't understand is that God is working harder than their devil. Wow, that reply was just something else. This one say, can I have a chat with you? Despite all the of talks, you still keep being you. Okay, I love you. Say, let's have a Zoom call. Email me your details. Wow. That's another giveaway I'm seeing right there. This one said, are you unemployed? Say, when God is your boss, you're never unemployed. I don't know the kind of information that I was looking for though, but probably was looking for another reply than that. So this one said, how fine is the line between ignorance and arrogance? He replied, the person, he said, that's up to you because you decide what that line looks like. Another person said, I don't have anyone, please. He said, that's not true. We, the WDG family, have your back. WDG there means Wire Them Gang, that they got the back of the person, that's his fan. Now another person said, false. I'm the same person. It's you lots that has decided to misunderstand me. You just share the status randomly after some of the questions keep coming in. Now this one said, not really a question, but I would say you're too strong for the world to handle. He said, it's a dog eats dog world. Planet Earth is a jungle. You gotta be strong out here. Another person said, can we have a Zoom call about mental health? He said, absolutely. Email me your details. This one said, I admire your level of intelligence and understanding. You are a great man. And he said, thank you. Okay. Now he said, can I be your personal video editor? This one don't get job like this one. He said, hit me up, mock shot. visuals. That's probably where he recruits for visual editors. So probably if you are looking for a job on visual editing, you can meet him. Probably you can message that particular handle on Instagram. You might just have a job there. Or also, the next person said, and again, okay, yeah, let's see. Next person said, why do you have pride? From nowhere, the person just said, why do you have pride? And I love the picture he shared. Now said, because pride is what keeps your self-respect in check. This other person said, the my question not send, they never receive as a lot. just joking. Just randomly. He said you need Holy Communion after that question you just saw now. This one said, what are you thankful for? He said, my 2 eyes, 2 legs, my hearing, my breathing, my overall stable health condition. Everything else is a bonus. This one said, how do you feel when people belittle your achievements by pinning in your family's wealth? You say, I just keep on pressing their necks with my success. Their opinion takes no food off my plates. Now, this other person said, you're such an amazing person. I wish to meet you someday. Say, let's make it happen. Will you marry me? He says, sorry, I'm married to the game. Wow. This one said, what is your secret to success? He said, I'm far from successful until I'm able to change the people's lives in my state and country. Then I do not consider myself a success. Please ask me the same question in 18 years time. Wow, that's a long time, but probably if we're still here, we ask him that question. Yeah, so this one say, how do you feel or react when you read hateful comments about you? Say, the hateful comments are just a reflection of their own reality. That's hot. Say, what's your most usual experience? He said, that's between me and my God. I'm sure the person was expecting something else. He said, whoa, how was your childhood experience like? Say, I didn't have much of a childhood. I've been going to boarding school since the age of 6. I learned to be a man at a very young age. I think it's now I'm starting to live out my childhood dreams. Wow. Say, Kidwaya, God will continue blessing you. Please, I need money. I'm broke, no family. Say, if kid doesn't send you money, does that mean God won't bless him? Asking for a friend also. Wow. This one say, can I work for you? And this reply I got was really hot. I'm sure the person never expected this, man. He said, work for yourself first, be your own boss, then bring a chair to the round table. That was pretty hot. The person never expected it, man. See, kid, please, when are we having our Lagos meet and greet? Your presence is all that is needed. This one say, very soon is going to be special. And that person said, did you really do that for 2 hours straight? Say, don't leave your fantasies through me, Biko. Man, some people can ask some kind of questions. Now this one say, can I work for you? Okay, the same question, and people are reacting to it. Now the guy replied, they say, I'm bringing the chair soon, maybe just to cover up myself. So I say, thanks for the words of encouragement. Okay. Now he shared a quote from Linda Ikeji blog. Actually quoted him and shared it on her page, and he shared it on the status bar. He said, pride is what keeps your self-respect in check. And say he admits being proud. Let's see. Okay, that was all for the session. I'm sure some people were expecting a different replies from maybe when he talked about his sexual fantasies, when he talked about some things, but he didn't give them the reply they actually wanted to see on his page. He just gave a random reply, just to cover himself up, and it was really fun. It was really a fun time. I had fun actually going through his question and answer session, and I'm sure a lot of people also had fun seeing them. So guys, that's that for now. Kiddwaya has been after the house. People didn't expect him to do much. They just felt, okay, this billionaire boy now, what's he going to offer us after he leaves the house? But believe me, he has been offering a lot. He even started a YouTube page and started his reality show, just showing his lifestyle, and so many people are enjoying what he's doing. He has been doing great for himself. I can see that he's pushing really hard for success, and I'm sure he'll achieve that in a short time. Alright guys, that's that for now. If you've not subscribed yet, please do so now by hitting the red subscribe button below. Also hit the push notification bell just below this, and you will get amazing updates from this channel. I hope to see you all soon guys. Goodbye for now.